from Serbia. Why Serbia? Because we currently live here. Let's have a room tour. Follow me. Here's the entry, and whoever could come in. Some doors on the right side, post boxes on the left. Interesting fact, here's no numbers, just surnames. It's yard, strange and small, but we don't hear neighbors. It's our place. So, are you ready? Oops, it's my suitcase. Wanted to open the door like in cinema, but failed. You are welcome. Come in, please. Let me close the door. Thank you. It's just light. Our lovely suitcases. Nice bed, like Scandinavian style, made from the wood. Very wonderful. This bed has no one mattress. It has 2 mattresses. You can find Russian channels on this TV. Let me show you wonderful world of Serbian currency, dinars. Some men, some women. You can sit here and have a dinner. You can stand here and have a dinner. We bought cola. We don't have it in Russia. Do you want it? Please. Super. Well, our fridge. The mouse hung itself. Ice and vegetables. Kitchen stove and Italian pasta. Ordinary kitchen. I'm gonna show you our bathroom, shower room. There is no bath, kind of trash. Weird switchers, light and boiler. You don't have hot water if you don't press this button. Let's go. So, a bit tight, but I'm fine with it. My boyfriend Andrew soiled his pants. That's why they are here. Come closer and show the shower. You're washing yourself standing on the floor. Standing like this, taking a shower. Water should pour there, to this hole. But it's pouring there, there and there. That's why broomstick here. What else can I say? These apartments we booked on... Wait a second. This is not an ad. Here we spent 3 days of our adventure, and soon we will change place for living. Initially, we wanted to rent another apartment, but we faced some problems with paper and money. Kind of financial schemes, never mind. As a result, we booked this room on 3 days, and we're gonna stay in next apartment for 3 weeks. There will be washing machine. Don't wanna imagine my life without it anymore. So, if you have any questions, write them in the comments and I will be happy to answer. Thank you for watching, likes and comments. Bye! Hello from Serbia. Why Serbia? Because we currently live here. What did I say?